llegar tarde a la fiesta. Tarde, vato. Tarde uno, llegar tarde a la fiesta. 3 meses después del duelo en el Cañón del Diablo, la banda vuelve a reunirse. Un mensaje de Héctor promete un negocio lucrativo, hacerse con las riquezas ocultas de Vincent David. La banda llega a la tienda de David, ahora echada a perder por el abandono y la presencia de avariciosos saqueadores. La misteriosa Rosie se une a ellos, una vieja conocida de poco fiar de sus corridas en Baton Rouge. Antza beste pertsonai bateagaz jolastuko. Bueno, ikusko ia.
Nobody ever did anything just for money. Or so I've heard. Personally, I find money very useful. So when opportunity comes knocking, I open the door with a smile. Sometimes you need a little help, though. Competition can be fierce in this business. Lucky for me, I know just the right people for the job. I met them a while back in Baton Rouge. They helped me withdraw a little money from the local bank. Can't say we parted on the best of terms, but I've never let that stop me before. And fortunately, I know just the man to help me regain their trust.
Here we are, sweetie pie. See? I told you I'd get us here.
Oh, Hector, I just knew you'd be the right man for the job.
No offense, but I'm glad I'm off that boat.
Come on, let's go through the plan one more time.
Right. As you all know, our dear friend Vincent DeVitt has a secret vault full of money hidden on this very estate. And we are here to collect. To that end, you will make your way around the main building to the front yard. As expected, this place is swarming with looters. So I suggest you keep your head down.
Hey, look, there's an outfit for Kate. Or maybe you want to try that on, honey.
Maybe a little later, Hector.
Yeah, right. Sorry.
We can pick up Cooper along the way. He should be there by now.
He better be. I was promised the whole gang. Either way, make your way to the statue in the front yard. Apparently, it has a hidden switch that will reveal the vault. I'm sure you'll find it now you know what to look for.
Hey, look, another outfit for Kate. You'd look good in that one, too.
Oh, Hector, you are just as sweet as a toothache.
All right. Get to the statue, find the switch, clear the vault. Simple enough.
I'll be here at the boat until you return.
That's right. And no tricks or surprises this time. I'll keep my eye on you until I have my money.
I'm sure you will. Don't keep me waiting. So, let's stay here.
Who needs a haircut? Someone call for a doctor? I smell trouble.
Feels like old times.
It's been 3 months. Don't tell me you're getting nostalgic already.
Oh, I missed you too, Doc. I'll use my singing voice. Keep low. These guys don't look friendly.
Don't worry, he's a beast.
Don't you ever get tired of hauling that thing around?
Bianca? Never. She and I are inseparable.
Speaking of which, what does Bianca have to say about your new friend?
Shush, I haven't told her yet.
right.
Still waiting for the right moment.
Ooh, gotcha.
Come on, amigo. Let's do this.
Fuck.
Still nothing. Just dirt and old bones.
Shit. Maybe it ain't here.
Bianca is ready. I like it.
Hey, what do you think of Jane back there?
Let's lure someone.
Not worth my time.
Dog. I ain't going all the way there.
I see. You look ready for more. Let's go.
Hey now.
Maybe the others found it.
I don't think so. Let's stay here.
You know, I'm glad you and I understand.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, whatever that means.
Looks like a job for Bianca. I'd make some noise.
Bianca's waiting for me.
Bianca, it's our time to use Bianca. Making a move. I'll use it. Just.
How long has Benny been dead? Show your head.
Must be 2 hours. Don't worry, he's a beast.
Sure thing, amigo.
I know you're in there. Hey, Gruber, how's it going, buddy? Yeah, I feel you.
Bianca is ready. Let's look.
Choke
there?
stuff pork in it.
Here they come. This way, amigo.
You're in there, right?
Good girl. She looks ready. Over there? No problem. No sweat.
I'm listening. I got a feeling about this.
You got it, amigo.
What?
On my way.
I got the tools for the job. Understood. No objections here.
Fuck.
Time for the axe. Let's light this up.
We got plenty. It works very fast.
What it is.
So, Hector. You and Rosie?
Isn't she lovely? Ever since Baton Rouge, our hearts have been aching for each other.
Is that right?
Oh, come on, Doc. There must be a romantic bone somewhere in your body.
There isn't. Trust me. I'm a doctor. You'll sit. Let's move you out of the way.
Let's go. Come to Hector.
Not sure I trust this.
Yeah, I got it. This is nothing. Here comes the postman.
I wouldn't worry just yet. Just what I had in mind.
Come on, amigo. I'll use my singing voice. Looks like a job for Bianca. Time to make some noise. Almost ready. I'll use my singing voice.
Hey.
Over here.
I heard that.
To Hector. I can do this all day. This is nothing. Let's lure someone in. All right, time to use Bianca. She looks. And another one. You got it, amigo. I can handle it. Got a package here. Come on, amigo. Must be another way.
What? Hey now.
Let's go. This way, amigo.
An old cat. You got a friend.
And for some chopping.
How did you find this place?
A couple of us used to work for it. He was out. We did it right.
Let's light this up. On my way. What the?
A couple weeks. But with all the work, time flies by.
All right.
What the? Lots of folks willing to pay.
Keep your eyes peeled. Let's lure someone. Sure thing, amigo. You time to make some noise.
What is this vault everyone's talking about?
I like it. Bianca is ready. Looks like a job for Bianca.
Oh, I see.
I'll use my singing voice. Time to use the just. Yeah, see how to Hector.
Where are you? Where?
Let's do this.
This is getting old.
Don't.
I got the tools for the job. Up we go.
Bianca is ready. I'll use my singing voice. This way, amigo.
What?
Looks like a job for Bianca. On my way. Let's lure someone. Making a move.
Show yourself.
My time.
Who needs that? Alright, let's get loose.
Who do we have here?
I'll use my singing voice. Time to use Bianca. Hey now. Just. Let's lure someone. Making a move.
There.
Time for this. I live for this. I like it.
Let's have a look around.
This is gonna be painful.
What? Just making it worse. I'll find you, you know.
All right.
Your ass is gonna drag you out of there. Anyone here? She's dead. They think they can hide. Find them.
Cago en Dios, tío, ¿qué pasa, bro?
I'll use my singing voice. On my way. There goes another.
This is gonna be painful. Let's have a look around.
Shall we continue?
Come on, show this is gonna be painful. Just making it worse. Or I hurt you. This is mine. I'm gonna have my fun with you. Every time. Fuck, no matter. They're gone. My kid. Get it.
I need the haircut.
Shit.
I see. I can handle it.
Y el móvil yo. Vamos aquí.
Yeah, I got it. Keep your eyes peeled.
Fuck.
Let's lure someone in. I'll use my singing voice. Time to use Bianca. Can do. Let's lure someone in. Let's go.
Hombre. Yourself. What's that? I know you're in there.
Good girl. Let's lure someone in. Time to use Bianca. I'll use over here.
Fuck this. Walk.
Time to make some noise. There she is.
You're a boy? How exciting! How did you find this?
Yeah, I got it. This is nothing. I can do this all day. I'll use my singing voice. I can handle it. Bianca is ready. Just let's lure someone in. This way, amigo. Yoo-hoo. I'll use my don't rush me. Not ready, amigo.
Okay.
Let's do this. Let's lure someone in. Over here.
You're in trouble now.
Can do. Come to Hector. Good girl. Over there? No problem. I see.
Yo tenía va.
She's looking. This is nothing. Where do you want this?
Cuando
keep your eyes peeled.
So, who's the boss around?
Lee, Dixon, and old Cassie. You got it.
All right.
Boys, how exciting.
Fuck?
Aren't you a
Let's go.
Wait a second.
I like it. On my way. Looks like a job for Bianca. Time for the axe. Coming through. Making a move. Time to make some noise.
What is this vault everyone's talking about?
Don't worry. You'll see when we find it.
Oh, I'm scared. Who's the boss around?
There's three. Me, Dixon, and old Cassie. You got it. Friend.
Just a few more hours.
Who do we have here?
Can do.
That. Who do we have here?
Let's lure someone in. Can do. I'll use my singing voice.
Show yourself.
Was that?
Time to use. Time to make some noise. You?
Trouble now.
I'm in the mood for some. Not
Guerra.
your lucky day.
Bones. That there's the spot. Fine. Keep digging.
Sure thing, amigo. Who needs a haircut? Your lucky day.
That there's the spot. Fine. Keep digging.
Joder, no me ticales en ella.
Come on, I need to get in there.
I'm listening. My specialty. Oh, I won't miss.
You're gonna make me walk all the way around?
We got places to be.
Lots of folks willing to pay.
I smell trouble.
Up we go.
Just what I had in mind.
Joder, Cho, McCoy.
Your lucky day.
I wouldn't worry just yet. No objections here.
Couple weeks. All the work.
Straight through hell.
You're gonna make me walk all the way around?
Making a move.
I would if you'd help me out already. No, I'm gonna stay right here.
Let's light this up. Looks like a job for Bianca. There.
Knock yourself out.
Come on, amigo. There.
Open up!
I like it. Who needs a haircut?
Come on, guys. This ain't funny.
I could watch you all day.
Needed that.
Yeah. You're gonna stop laughing when I find the vault. Ooh, I can't wait.
My way.
Come on, I need to get in there.
Sí. ¿Qué pasa arriba, no?
You're gonna make me walk all the way around?
I'm telling you, ain't nothing back there.
Sue, I can feel it in my bones. That there's the spot. Fine. Keep digging.
And do. Here comes the postman.
Joder, morrilla.
I'm in the mood for some chopping. This way, amigo.
Got you.
Yeah, I got it. I'm in the mood for some chopping. Let's light this up. I can handle it. There she is. I like it.
¿Qué coño dices?
Lots of folks.
Hey, I think we found the vault. Don't wanna check?
Let's lure someone in. Let's make some.
For Christ's sake, my arm's getting tired.
Make to Hector. This way, amigo.
Come on, guys, this ain't funny. Come on, I need to get in there.
So, who's the boss around here?
There's 3.
You gonna make me walk all the way around?
Yeah. What about the other?
Who needs a haircut? Can do. Here comes the postman.
Oh, I see. Aren't you afraid of what the DeVitt family will do when they find out?
Someone call for a doctor? On my way. I got the tools for the job. I smell trouble.
What
Understood.
Yeah, I got it.
are you talking about?
Oh, nothing.
Let's light this up.
Someone call for a doctor?
So, how long have you been here?
What's the
I'm in the mood for sure thing,
We
amigo.
got who needs a shot? My thoughts. Someone call for a doctor? It'll cost you. The hell? Understood. Well, all right.
Let's light this up.
So, how long have you been here?
couple of weeks? And with all the work, time flies by.
Oh, I can imagine.
I see.
What are you gonna do with all the furniture?
Sell it. Lots of folks willing to pay for stuff like this.
Omelet, who needs a shot? I got a feeling about this.
I'm in the mood for some chocolate.
Can imagine. What are you gonna do with all the furniture?
Sell it. Lots of folks willing to pay for stuff like this.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
I'm in the mood for some chopping. This way, amigo.
Who needs a shot? Just what I hadn't. Meet the vultures.
So, what was that strange glass bowl they caught it down at the beach?
Some kind of invention. It don't look worth much, but maybe we'll get it.
Come on, amigo.
What it was for?
Over there? No problem.
What is this vault everyone's talking about?
You'll see when you find it.
Yeah, I got it. This is nothing. Fuck.
Who's the boss around here?
There's three. Me, Dixon, and old Cat.
Do this all day.
Got a friendly laugh.
No sweat.
You're a boss? How exciting.
Come to Hector. Here comes the postman.
How did you find this place?
Bianca is ready.
A couple of us used to work for the bit.
Let's do this. Just. She's ready.
Aren't you afraid of what the DeVitt family will do when they find out?
Did it?
Sure thing, amigo. Time for the axe. Still got it. You got it, amigo. Bianca's coming through.
Couple of weeks. But with all the work, time flies.
Oh, I can imagine. What are you gonna do with all the furniture?
What's wrong with you?
Sell it. Lots of folks will pay for stuff like this.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
It'll cost you.
Up we go.
So, what was that strange glass bowl they caught it down to the beach?
Some kind of invention. It don't look worth much, but maybe we'll get a few dollars.
It's very fat.
I wonder what it was for.
Making a move.
What is this vault everyone's talking about?
Ah, don't worry. You'll see when we find it.
Aw, no fair.
Keep your eyes peeled. I like it. What the? Can do. Come to Hector.
What the hell? Son of a bitch!
What was that strange glass bowl they caught it down to the beach?
Some kind of invention. It don't look worth much, but maybe we'll get a few dollars for it.
Let's do this.
I wonder what it was for.
Vaya la coseta. Se me olvidó. Venga, macho. Venga, seguimos, colegas. Santa Elena de Lecia parten a llegar tarde a la fiesta. 3 meses después del duelo en el Cañón del Diablo, la banda se reúne para un trabajo especial. Rosie, una vieja conocida de poco fiar de Baton Rouge, les pide ayuda para hacerse con el tesoro de la cámara oculta de Vincent David. Al regresar a la ahora abandonada casa de David, la banda debe abrirse paso a través de sanguinarios saqueadores hasta la estatua del patio delantero. Por lo visto, un interruptor escondido en la estatua revela la cámara. Una vez abierta, solo queda vaciarla por completo. Ah, y Cooper también anda por ahí. Bueno.
Who's the boss around here?
Joder. Ya, Vale. Vale. Vale, es verdad. Hostia, sí que te llama bien. No pensé en anything, pero bueno. Sí. Bueno, aquí será torcho en esta.
Those clothes would fit me nicely.
I get the feeling you can wear pretty much anything.
Well, thank you, Doc.
Glass bowl, they caught it down to the beach.
Vale. Joder, hasi gara.
Let's do this. Time to use Bianca.
So, who's the boss around here?
There's three. Me, Dixon, and old Cat. We got a friend.
That's nothing.
What? How exciting!
Joder, cho. Ganó gustando.
How did you find this place?
A couple of us used to
Ping pong.
he was out. We knew he was right.
Oh, I see. Aren't you afraid of what the DeWitt family will do when they find out?
DeWitt? What are you talking about?
Time to make some noise. Let's lure someone in.
So, how long have you been here?
Couple weeks. With all the work, time flies.
Boris.
Oh, I can imagine. What are you gonna do with all the furniture?
Sell it. Lots of folks willing to pay for stuff like this.
Vale, ingote nada.
Coming through.
Yeah.
Oh, what was that strange glass wall they carted down to the beach?
Some kind of adventure. No book worth much. Maybe.
Wonder what it was for.
Gasarra. Ez da ikusten. Urremin bihot.
Strange glass wall they carted down to the beach.
Some kind of adventure. No book worth much. Maybe
Looks like a job.
Wonder what it was for.
Qué casarra.
Bianca is ready.
What is this vault everyone's talking about?
you'll see what we find.
Oh, no fair.
Ze txistarraten da horren beste. Ez dut ulertuten.
What was that strange glass wall they carted down to the beach?
Some kind of adventure. No book worth much. Maybe.
Wonder what it was for.
Let's lure someone in.
Oh. Vale.
Vault everyone's talking
Alnahi etorri ametik.
You'll see what we find.
There's someone no fair.
Keep your eyes peeled.
So, who's the boss around here?
There's three.
How did you find this place?
A couple of us used to work for DeWitt. He was out. We knew he was right.
Oh, I see.
Nice. I like it.
Aren't you afraid of what
Hostia puta, veo puncho da, ezta?
find out?
DeWitt? What the hell?
10. Vale.
So, how long have you been here?
Couple weeks. And with all the work, time flies.
Time for the act. Let's light this up.
Oh, I can imagine.
Let's do this.
What are you gonna do with all the furniture?
Halfway to the statue. I can't wait to get back to my Rosie. She's just as adorable as she was on that first night when we all had drinks together.
Oh, you mean when she killed us?
Made us turn the whole town upside down?
What a great night that was.
Bueno, ya.
What is this vault everyone's talking about?
Vale.
You'll see when we find it.
Aw, no fair.
Making a move.
Something that
So, who's the boss around here?
there's three. Me, Dixon, and old Cassidy. We got a friendly rival to go.
You're the boss? How exciting!
All right.
How did you find this place?
A couple of us used to work for a new bit. And he was out.
My way. Over there? No problem.
Oh, I see.
Got it, amigo.
Aren't you afraid of what the DeVitt family will do when they find out?
DeVitt family? What are you talking about?
Oh, nothing.
Time for the axe. Let's go. I live this. To Hector. Sure thing, amigo.
Not sure I trust this. I wouldn't want it just yet.
Keep your eyes peeled. Here comes the postman. I like it.
Bueno.
We got places to be.
Come on, amigo.
Ciao, ardua una va.
Looks like I'll use my singing voice. Your guy's ready. Make some noise. Yeah, I got it. We're
Joder, macho.
You got it, amigo. Looks like a job for Bianca. Let's lure someone. This way, amigo.
Who's there?
Always trust in Bianca.
Čo neužíva? Dobra. Hostia puta, dan agarrochudas, ¿eh? Cago en Dios. No way, way.
Looks like a job for Bianca. I like it. Time to use Bianca. She's ready. My way. I'll use my singing voice. Over here.
Who's there?
This way, amigo. Always trust in Bianca. The heart to Hector. Let's lure someone. I'll use my singing voice. Let's lure someone. Let's do this. Come on, amigo. I'm in for some joy. I can handle it. Got a package here. Let's go. This is nothing.
No ni mucha dan puñete y pausuecas.
I got it. Keep your eyes peeled. The tracks here. Who needs a haircut? All right. Come to Hector.
Nada.
Make some noise. Bianca is ready. I'll use my singing voice. Just. She looks ready for more. Time for the dance. I'm in for some chopping.
Maputin etxetik.
I got the tools for the job. Okay then.
Still got it.
Someone call for a doctor? I got a feeling about this.
Gero eta horrun hautsu.
Keep your eyes peeled. To Hector.
Vale, ya.
Shall we continue? Well, let's move you out of the way. Up we go. Understood. Straight through hell. No objections here. Up we go.
Joder.
The easiest.
You're getting a bit too good at that.
You sound just like John when we play poker.
Uh-oh. What's the score?
Let's just say I'm catching up fast.
Time for the ice. My way.
Don't worry just yet.
Whatever you say, gorgeous. See you later.
See you later, skater. Joder, este non un coño do Cooper.
Sorry, but out.
Ah, me di que estaba un Cooper. Puh. Bueno.
Come on, amigo.
Bueno, vale. Y absurdo una. Dama corto, vale.
Let's do this.
Venga, hecho.
Sure thing, amigo.
Y ya, manda boundaría. Vale. Yardo una.
Call for a doctor. It works very must understood.
Time for the ice.
He just bet you wouldn't hit that one. Now he owes me half his cut.
Serves him right.
This way, amigo. Who's better than one?
I'm listening. I'm listening.
Let's light this up.
Vale.
You got places to be. On my way. This'll do nicely.
Homeopática rechinas también. Normalmente sobrando este estilo que vaya, bueno, matete aquí.
Should we continue?
Vale, pistolero badan, honega sarrasen chat.
Looks like a job for the young guy. Time to make some noise. Let's trust Betty. This is nothing. Coming through. Let's get loud. I'll use my secret voice. Yeah, I got it.
Puta madre. Bueno,
I wouldn't worry.
No sus va.
It'll cost you. We'll see. I'll take that, thank you.
Venga, perdona, guerrero.
I got a feeling about this.
Sochimi pertsona, mitu ya.
Let's lure someone in. Time to use Bianca. Just to make some noise. Let's do this. Hombre.
Big trap. Hostias, tro. Vale.
Make some noise. Here looks like a job for Bianca. Almost dead. Make home to Hector. Here comes the postman.
Venga, urfrescue. Poncho. Vale. Ja non coñado Cooper. Vale, Cooper de curaos va, está. Ah, no, de Cooper, vale.
Remember, Cooper's waiting for us. Why is he late anyway?
He was on a bank job with a certain Sam Williams when your message came.
Williams? Never heard of him.
Don't worry. I'm sure John's gonna introduce you someday.
It'll cost you.
Bueno, ya.
Let's keep an eye open for John.
Why is he late anyway?
He was on a bank job with a certain Sam Williams when your message came.
Es...
Williams? Never heard of
Don't worry. I'm sure John's gonna introduce you someday.
Joder. Pistolero.
What's that? Trouble in the maze.
Come on, amigo. Oh, fuck. Ember, Cooper's waiting for us. Why is he late anyway?
He was on a bank job with a certain Sam Williams when your message came.
Williams? Never heard of
Don't worry. I'm sure John's gonna introduce you someday.
I'll use my secret voice. I like it. Yes.
Joanen piztin hartzekudan. Dana. Txo, hemen ben hor dau ba.
Not sure I trust this.
Sure thing, amigo.
Trouble in the maze.
Let's light this up. Let's lure someone in. Yeah, I got it. Hombre. Time to make some noise. Here.
I'm coming for you.
I'll use this needs more time.
You're in trouble now.
Some chop. Oh, needed that. I can do this all day.
Vale, eta honek. Vale. Eta honek txiko txago trampien on. Hemen, adibidez.
This is nothing. Let home to Hector.
Joder.
Business as usual.
Here comes the postman.
Qué casarra. Hostia puta.
Wouldn't worry just yet. Shall we continue? Someone called my specialty. I smell trouble. Steady hands. Someone coming.
Let's go. Okay, this is nothing. Where do you want this? Time for shots.
Mierda puta.
We got this. Oh, I want this. We'll see. Steady hands. Beg your pardon? I refuse.
Casarra.
Someone call for a doctor?
Y hago sin y Lorduen. No me jodas. Bueno, ya.
Say nothing. Come on, to Hector.
Puta madre, hecho.
Every day
Joder. Joder, esta cosmética... Ma cos'è? Amore, regalo il gioco di tono por culo.
Let's go. Let's roll some. Bianca is dead. I heard that. For a walk. She looks ready.
Puta madre.
Someone call for a doctor? Let's move you out of the way. Heading there.
Business as usual. Everything looks right.
Let's drop this one off.
Trouble in the maze.
Heading there. Out of sight, out of mind. We'll see.
This way, amigo. Here comes the postman. Come on, amigo.
What the?
Come to Hector. I can handle it.
Straight through hell. We got places to be.
Leave America.
Oh, I ain't fooled. It's easy. Big trouble. Oh, you scared?
All right. I will this. This is nothing. Over there? No problem. Let's do this. So, here comes the postman. Come to Hector. No sweat.
Ah,
Live for this. I can do this all day. Wait a second. Let's go. Come to Hector.
¿y a dónde da Thor?
Looks like a job for Bianca. Some chopping. Yeah, I got it. There goes another. This is nothing.
Not sure I trust this.
Not really. I don't know. Abandoned mansions.
Yeah.
Let's lure someone in.
Vale.
And do. This way, amigo. Let's light this up.
¿Ves? Está ahí Lola. Bueno, hortik ezin bada nametik ingo.
Shall we continue? Okay then.
I'll use my singing voice.
Someone call for a doctor? I'm listening.
Joder, no me jodas.
Got what you need.
Joder.
Let's light this up.
Vale, ahora te quise envidia.
I could talk to you all day. Whatever you say, gorgeous. You got a lovely voice. I can make some noise. No problem, Missy. I like it. You know. Let's lure someone in. Yeah, I'm listening. That's what I need. Got what you need. Lovely voice. I'm listening. Listening.
Es beste ära teha envidia.
Yeah. Bet I can help you. All right.
Joder.
Ain't easy, you know. Standing guard all day. Oh, I can imagine.
Be all guys ready.
Your dress. It's really nice.
Hey, honey.
Well, thank you, darling. That's nice of you.
Whatever you say, gorgeous. She's ready.
Hey,
Sure thing. I mean,
got some. Sorry, honey, but I'll be quite busy.
you got a lovely voice. I could talk to you all day.
Oh, they're harmless. Trust me, I've seen much worse.
Fair. Still got it. Search everywhere.
La Casa Ra.
How can I help you?
Ain't easy, you know. Standing guard all day. Oh, I can imagine.
Got a lovely voice. Need me?
Your dress. It's really nice.
Well, thank you, darling. That's nice of you. Hey,
All right.
Got some diamond.
sorry, honey, but I'll be quite busy.
Yeah. Bet I can help you. Whatever you say, gorgeous.
Oh, they're harmless.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Fun. Got it?
Don't worry, honey. I can take care of myself.
Whatever you need. I'm all ears, honey.
So, you come around here often?
Not really. I don't know working with Evan much.
No problem, Missy. Let's light this up.
Ain't easy, you know. Standing guard all day.
I could talk to you all
Oh, I
day.
can imagine.
Sure. How can I help you?
Ain't easy, you know. Standing guard all day. Oh, I can imagine.
All ears, honey.
Your dress. It's really
Here all
nice.
day, honey.
Well, thank you, darling. That's nice of you.
I'm listening. Listening.
Hey,
Got some diamond.
Like it.
sorry, honey, but I'll be quite busy. See,
No problem, Missy. Keep your eyes wide. Son of a bitch! How can I help you?
Ain't easy, you know. Standing guard all day. Oh, I can imagine.
Gorgeous?
Your dress. It's really
Problem,
nice.
Missy.
well, thank you, darling.
How can I help you?
Ain't easy, you know.
Uy.
Let's do someone. Keep your eyes peeled. Okay. Knock yourself out. No problems.
Puta madre, hecho.
Whatever you say, gorgeous.
It'll cost you.
I'm all ears, honey.
Sorry, hon, but I'll be quite busy, you see.
You have a lovely voice.
Well, the boys are treating me well. Oh, they're harmless. Trust me, I've seen much worse. Listen, anyone gets rough, call me. Got it? Don't worry, hon. I can take care of myself.
Joder, costabas tener la zona.
Let's light this up.
So, come around here often?
Can do. Time for the lights. Making a move needs a hair. I needed that. I'll use my singing voice. Time to use Bianca. I need to pick up Bianca. Let's lure someone in. Who's there? I heard that. I like it. Some can't do that to me. I'm dead.
Joder.
She's ready.
Hola, mi chicot. Sería temporal realmente. Ay, ay. Parte 1. Llegar tarde a la fiesta. 3 meses después del duelo en el Cañón del Diablo, la banda se reúne para un trabajo especial. Rosie, una vieja conocida de poco fiar de Baton Rouge, les pide ayuda para hacerse con el tesoro de la cámara oculta de Vincent David. Al regresar a la ahora abandonada casa de David, la banda debe abrirse paso a través de sanguinarios saqueadores hasta la estatua del patio delantero. Por lo visto, un interruptor escondido en la estatua revela la cámara. Una vez abierta, solo queda vaciarla por completo. Ah, y Cooper anda por ahí. Bye.
She's ready.
I està aquí txelane... Ia. Ametik ez dakoti... Ah, mendakot.
Con, got it?
Don't worry, hon. I can take care of myself.
So, you come around here often?
Ja, no nago.
On my way.
What now?
Son of a
Joder,
bitch!
cho.
There she is. Sure thing, amigo. Here. There she is. Yeah, I got it. You got it, amigo. There. Let's lure someone in. Let's go.
Show yourself.
I heard that.
I'm in the mood for some. Still got it.
Whoa, watch your step!
More. There she is. Let's light this up. Let's lure someone in. Over here.
Yourself.
I'm in the mood for some chopping. Okay, they're down.
Txitsitarat horren beste salta eman ez dut ulertzen.
There she is. Let's light this up. Is that?
Onde non va? Zena nahi nahi horren.
There she is.
Lovely voice.
I'm listening. I'm listening.
Come around here.
There.
Lovely voice.
Making a move.
Voice.
Making a move.
I'm listening. I'm listening.
So, come Not really. I don't normally work in abandoned mansions.
Let's go.
Sure. Whatever you need.
Got smoke?
It ain't easy, you know. Standing guard all
Whatever
day.
you say, gorgeous.
Oh, I can imagine.
I could talk to you all day.
Your dress is really nice.
Venga, amigo.
Well, thank you, darling. That's nice of you.
You got a lovely voice.
Ah, qué casarra.
You.
I'm all ears, honey.
Let's go.
You.
I'm here all day, honey. Back later, okay?
I see.
I need some new boots.
Hey, I've got some free time later, and sorry, hon, but I'll be quite busy this evening.
Yeah. Sure. Making a move.
Hey now.
Ah, qué casarra.
Sure. Can do.
What?
Sure hope the boys are treating you well.
Let's light.
Oh, they're harmless.
Let's see.
Wait, let's fetch Cooper before we play around with this thing.
Oh, good idea. Here comes the postman.
Listen, if anyone gets rough with you,
Who needs a hair?
call me. Got it?
All right.
Don't worry, hon. I can take care of myself. If anyone gets rough with you, call me. Got it? Don't worry, hon. I can take care of myself.
I like it. Time for the axe.
So, you come around here often?
Lucky day.
Not really. I don't normally work in abandoned mansions.
I'm in the mood for some shopping. On my way.
It ain't easy, you know. Standing guard all day.
Over there?
Oh, I can imagine.
I got the tools for the job. Okay then.
Can do.
Your dress is really nice. Well, thank you, darling. That's nice of you.
So, a switch, huh? Maybe scratch his balls?
I ain't gonna touch the crown jewels, thank you very much.
I'm sure it can't be too hard to find.
Oh, something's happening.
What the hell?
Oh, for God's sake, Jimmy, stop screaming. This is it, boys. Looks like one of you idiots finally made it happen. Butch, come here. Get this damn thing open, will ya?
On it, boss.
Been yet?
What's it look like?
I doubt they'll get that thing open anytime soon.
Can you crack it?
Why do you even ask?
All right. Then let's clear the area so you can get to work.
Vale.
Come on, what's taking?
Continue.
Sure hope the
Vaya Cooper Ville, pues le he dado.
Oh, they're harmless. Trust me, I've seen much worse.
Vale.
Come on, amigo.
M'acordo techo.
So,
The archives.
not really. I don't know.
Time to make some noise. Time to use Bianca. Okay, let's go. Still got it. There she is. Coming through. All right. The hell? Who needs a haircut? There goes another. I can handle it. Sure thing, amigo. Amigo, good to see you.
Finally. You guys took your sweet time.
First he wants a pickup, now he's complaining.
John, the audacity.
Maybe we should just leave him behind.
Relax. I'm coming.
I got eyes on the statue.
So, what are we looking for exactly?
Rosie said there's a hidden switch on the statue.
Of course she did. All right, let's take a look.
Bueno. Beste bateren justories baina, bueno, ez da bardura. Egiz esan, dispara batak, bueno, lau dispara.
Let's do this.
So,
Come to Hector. I can do this all day. Looks like let's lure someone in. This way, amigo. Time to make some noise. Bianca is ready.
it ain't easy, you know. Oh,
Almost ready.
I can imagine.
Here? Yeah, I got it. Keep your eyes peeled. Sheila, this is nothing.
This is nothing.
Where do you want this? Here comes the postman.
Hey, got some free time later and...
Sorry, hon, but I'll be quite busy this evening.
Let's light this up. I can do this all day.
Oh, they're harmless. Trust me, I've seen much worse.
Got a package here. Let's lure someone in.
Listen, if anyone gets rough with you, call me. Got it?
Don't worry, hon. I...
So, come around with us?
Not really. I don't normally work in the bank.
Make home to Hector. No sweat.
They need you. Standing guard all day.
Oh, I can imagine.
Stuff a cork in it!
Your dress. It's really nice.
Well, thank you, darling. It's nice of you.
I got some free time.
I see.
Listen, anyone gets rough, call me. Got it?
Don't worry, hon. I can take care of myself.
Oh, este sin pedalar, gastado.
Oh, look at you.
¿Ves?
No problem, missy. I'm all ears, honey. Whatever you say, gorgeous.
Your dress. It's really nice. Why, thank you, darling. That's nice of you.
I'll see you later.
I help.
Hey, I got some free time later and...
Sorry, hun.
Talk to you all day. I'm listening.
Sure hope the boys are treating you well.
Oh, they're harmless.
Trust me.
I've seen much worse.
Yeah, no problem.
Wait a second.
All right.
Don't worry. I can take care of myself.
So, you come around too often?
Not really. I don't know how to work in a
Yeah,
band.
maybe I got what you need. Well, you got a lovely voice. Sure.
Oh, I can imagine.
Yeah, how can I help you? Hey, not fair.
You're a beauty.
Your dress.
Hey, darling. That's nice of you.
You got it, amigo.
Whatever you say, gorgeous.
Hey,
Sure.
sorry, honey, but I'll be quite busy this evening.
Keep your eyes peeled.
Sure hope the boys are treating you well.
Come
Oh,
on.
they're harmless. Trust me.
Can do. Sure thing, amigo. Hey now.
Who the fuck?
Amigo.
I don't know how to work in abandoned mansions.
Hey now.
I bet I can help you.
Let's light this up. I like it.
Yes, honey.
On my way.
I'm listening. I'm listening.
Let's go.
I could talk to you all day. I'm here all day, honey.
Making a move.
Got a lovely voice.
Hasta potro, ya.
I like it.
No problem, Missy.
Keep your eyes peeled.
I'm all ears, honey. Lead the way.
I'm in the mood for some chopping. I see.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Can do.
I'm listening. I'm listening.
Time to use Bianca.
I could talk to you all day.
She's ready.
You got a lovely voice. I'm a coming, baby.
Always trust in Bianca. Let's go. There she is. Where do you want this?
Sure hope the boys are treating you well. Trust me, I've seen them.
Not sure I'm following. Maybe I got what you need.
Don't worry, hun. I can take care of myself.
All right, I'm all ears, honey. Yeah, I'm a listener.
Guns, huh? Did you get a spare?
Yep.
I'm telling you, if you want to shoot 3 people with 1 gun, you gotta use a shotgun, amigo.
In a few months, you're gonna eat those words.
This way, amigo.
Oh, I can man.
Now to Hector. And another one. Here comes the postman. Can do. Coming through.
I got the tools for the job.
I got some
I smell trouble.
Sorry, hon, but I'll be quite busy this evening.
Sure hope the boys are treating you well.
Oh, they're harmless. Trust me, I've seen much worse.
Listen, if anyone gets rough with you,
Sure
call
thing,
me.
amigo.
Got it?
Don't worry, hon. I can take care of myself.
Bianca, it's time to make some noise. Yeah, I got it. You? Looks like a job for Bianca.
Come around here often?
Not really. I don't normally work in abandoned mansions.
I'll use my singing voice. She looks ready for more.
I wouldn't worry just yet. We'll see.
It ain't easy, no? Standing guard all day.
Oh, I can imagine.
Your dress. It's really nice.
Why, thank you, darling. That's nice of you.
You got it, amigo.
Hey, I got some free time later and...
Sorry, hon, but I'll be quite busy this evening.
This is got plenty of room. I can handle it.
Sure hope the boys are treating you well.
Oh, they're harmless. Trust me, I've seen much worse.
I see.
Listen, if anyone gets rough with you, call me. Got it?
Don't worry, hon. I can take care of it.
Making a move.
So, you come around here often?
Not really. I don't normally work in abandoned mansions.
On my way.
It ain't easy, you know? Standing guard all day.
Oh, I can imagine.
Your dress. It's really nice.
Why, thank you, darling. That's nice of you.
Hey, I got some free time later and...
Sorry, hon, but I'll be quite busy this evening.
Sure hope the boys are treating you well.
Oh, they're harmless. Trust me, I've seen much worse.
Listen, if anyone gets rough with you, call me. Got it?
Don't worry, hon. I can take care of myself.
So, you come around here often?
Not really. I don't normally work in abandoned mansions.
It's right there.
It ain't easy, you know? Standing guard all day.
Oh, I can imagine.
The hell
your dress. It's really nice.
Why, thank you, darling. It's nice of you.
Hey, I got some free time later and...
Sorry, hon, but I'll be quite busy this evening.
Sure hope the boys are treating you well.
Oh, they're harmless. Trust me, I've seen much worse.
Listen, if anyone gets rough with you, call me. Got it?
Don't worry, hon. I can take care of myself.
Don't.
So, you come around here often?
Not really. I don't normally work in abandoned mansions.
It ain't easy, you know. Standing guard all day.
Oh, I can imagine.
Let's light this up.
Your dress. It's really nice.
Why, thank you, darling. It's nice of you.
Hey, I got some free time later and...
Sorry, hon, but I'll be quite busy this evening.
Let's go.
Hey now.
I'm in the mood for some.
Sure hope the boys are treating you well.
Oh, they're harmless. Trust me, I've seen much worse.
Wait a second.
Come on, let me.
Listen, if anyone gets...
Fuck yeah! Got you now.
Sure hope the boys are treating you well.
Oh, they're harmless. Trust me, I've seen much worse.
Huh?
You got it, amigo.
Listen, if anyone... Sure hope the boys are treating you well.
Oh, they're harmless. Trust me, I've seen much worse.
I'm in the mood for some chopping. This way, amigo.
Listen, if anyone...
What the fuck?
Call me. Got it?
I see you, asshole!
Sure hope the boys are treating you well.
Oh, they're harmless. Trust me, I've seen much worse.
Listen, if anyone gets rough with you, call me. Got it?
Don't worry, hon. I can take care of myself.
So, you come around here often?
Not really. I don't normally work in abandoned mansions.
It ain't easy, you know. Standing guard all day. Oh, I can imagine.
Mista, güey.
Sure hope the boys are treating you well. Oh, they're harmless. Trust me, I've seen much worse.
Hey, now. Time for the rap.
Listen. Sure hope the boys are treating you well. Oh, they're harmless. Trust me, I've seen much worse. Listen, if anyone gets rough with you, call me. Got it?
Don't worry, hon. I can take care of myself.
So, you come around here often?
Not really. I don't normally work in abandoned mansions.
Fuck.
That? Sure. Oh, whatever you do.
It ain't easy, you know. Standing guard all day.
Oh, I can imagine.
See you later.
Your dress. It's really nice.
Well, thank you, darling. That's nice of you.
Yeah, but that ain't. Well, how can I help you?
Hey, I got some free time later and...
Sorry, hon.
Something.
But I'll be quite busy
Time
this
for
evening.
the Sure thing, amigo.
No problem, missy.
Not your lucky day. I can do this all.
Sure hope the boys are treating you well.
Oh, they're harmless.
Love
Trust
their
me,
voice.
I've seen much worse.
I'm listening, I'm listening.
Listen, if anyone gets rough with you, call me. Got it?
Don't worry, hon. I can take care of myself.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm listening.
Let's lure someone in.
So,
Well, I'm here
you
all
come around
day,
here
honey.
often?
Not really. I don't normally work in abandoned mansions.
I heard that.
Getting a bit crowded here.
I'm all ears, honey.
It ain't easy, you know. Standing guard all day.
Make some noise.
Oh, I can imagine.
I could talk to you all day.
Here they come.
Whatever you say,
Your
gorgeous.
dress. It's really nice.
Well, thank you, darling. That's nice of you.
I'll use my singing voice. Yeah, I got it.
Sure.
Show yourself.
Oh, whatever you do.
The more the merrier.
I'm listening, I'm listening.
I'll use my singing voice. Can do.
Hey,
Hey.
I heard that.
I got some free time later.
Sorry, honey. But I'll be quite busy this evening.
I'm in the mood for some chopping.
Whatever you say.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Sure hope the boys are treating you well.
Oh, they're harmless. Trust me, I've seen much worse.
I could talk to you all day.
Listen, if anyone gets rough with you, call
I'm
me.
here
Got
all
it?
day, honey.
Don't worry, hon. I can take care of myself.
Hey, come back later, okay?
So, you come around here often?
Not really. I don't normally work in abandoned mansions.
Ooh, you're a beauty.
It ain't easy, you know. Standing guard all day.
Sure.
Oh, I can imagine.
Oh, whatever you need. You got a lovely voice.
Your dress is really nice.
Why, thank you, darling. That's nice of you.
I'm all ears, honey.
That. Hey, I got some free time later and...
No
Sorry,
problem,
hon.
Missy.
But I'll be quite busy this evening.
I'm all ears, honey.
Sure hope the boys are treating you well.
Oh, they're harmless. Trust me, I've seen much worse.
Well, I'm here all day, honey.
Hey, I got some free time later and...
I'm
Sorry,
listening.
hon.
I'm listening.
But I'll be quite busy this evening.
I see.
Whatever you say, gorgeous.
Sure hope the boys are treating you well.
Oh, they're harmless. Trust me, I've seen much worse.
You got a lovely voice.
Listen, if anyone gets rough with
No problem, Missy.
you, call me. Got it?
Don't worry, honey. I can take care of myself.
Yeah, I'm listening.
So, you come around here often?
Not really. I don't know.
I'm all ears, honey.
Always better than one. I can handle it.
Sure.
It ain't easy,
Oh, whatever
you know.
you need.
Standing guard all day.
Let's go.
Oh, I can imagine.
Let's lure someone in.
Well, I'm here all day, honey.
Time for the rags.
Your dress.
I got you now.
Otro.
I'm listening. I'm
It
listening.
ain't easy, you know. Standing guard all day.
Oh, I can imagine.
No problem, Missy.
Over there? No problem.
Your dress is really nice, you know.
Why, thank you, darling. That's nice of you.
On my way.
Hey, I got some free time later and...
Sorry, honey. But I'll be quite busy this evening.
Can do. Who needs a haircut? Here comes the postman.
Sure hope the boys are treating you well.
Oh, they're harmless. Trust me, I've seen much worse.
Listen, if anyone gets rough with you, call me. Got it?
Don't worry, hon. I can take care of myself.
come around here often? Not really.
Little caution.
I don't normally work in abandoned mansions. It ain't easy, you know. Standing guard all day. Oh, I can imagine.
I wouldn't worry just yet. You won't feel a thing. Just what I had in mind.
I'm in the mood for some chopping. This way, amigo. Who needs a haircut?
Todo enterrado.
It ain't easy, you know. Standing guard all day. Oh, I can imagine.
Not sure I trust this.
Your dress. It's really nice. Why, thank you, darling. That's nice of you. Hey, I've got some free time later and...
Sorry, honey, but I'll be quite busy this evening.
On my way. Ooh, I'm itching for a fight.
Who needs a shot?
I heard that.
Sleep tight. Making a move.
Bueno.
Keep your eyes peeled.
Joder, cho.
Song.
Hey, you're a beauty.
Looks pretty crowded around that safe.
Let's finish them quick. I'm sure Rosie's aching for my return.
Hey, is he always going on like this?
Yup.
Constantly.
Oh, boy.
I'm listening.
Don't move!
Oh, boy.
Dixon
I'm all
caught a
ears,
turkey.
honey.
Says he's gonna cook it real nice. Well, he says it's a turkey.
You got a lovely voice.
Yeah, I got it.
Lead the way.
My time for the axe.
Coming through.
Someone else finds that thing before we do.
Relax, big shot. Guys like
Come on, amigo.
I'm in the mood for some shopping. Let's light this up. Time for the axe.
I would appreciate some backup.
Shouldn't you be guarding something?
Smartass. How'd you land this job?
Strong arms, good looks. And I brought my own shovel.
You're full of shit.
Shouldn't you be guarding something?
Smartass.
I'm in the mood for keep your eyes peeled.
How'd you land this job?
Come, you're broke.
And I brought my
You're full of shit.
Let's go.
DeVitt sure was a piece of...
boy. You even knew the guy?
Saw him a couple times. Real pushover on the outside. The way he looked at you.
Here comes the postman.
Who needs a haircut?
What are you gonna do with your cut?
Don't know.
Time
Maybe
for
I'll buy myself a nice long cigar. Be part of the big league.
No problem.
Yeah, right.
Bianca, let's lure someone in. Time to use Bianca. Almost ready.
Forget it. That's nothing.
Can do.
Dixon caught a turkey. Says he's gonna cook it real nice.
Where the hell did he?
Well, he says it's a turkey.
Find the vault.
If there is a vault.
You got it, amigo.
Nice.
On my way. I see.
Hey, shouldn't you be digging somewhere?
Hey, shouldn't you be guarding something?
Smartass.
I'm listening. Straight through hell.
How'd you land this job?
Strong arms, good looks, and I brought my own shit.
You're full of shit, Larry.
I got a few tricks in here. Who wants to have a look?
Looks worthless.
DeVitt sure was a piece of work.
I got a few.
What?
Everything in order.
Cago en mi chamacho de ser. Hijo de puta.
The way he looked at you.
Up we go.
Sí, darte una cosa.
My arm's getting tired. Where to?
What are you gonna do with your cut?
Yeah, I got
Over
it.
there.
Yeah, right.
Let's do this. Looks like a job for Bianca. I'll use my singing voice. Over here.
So, Dixon caught a turkey. Says he's gonna cook you real nice.
Sure thing, amigo.
Smart ass.
Looks like a job for me. I'll use my singing. Just. Come on, amigo.
How'd you land this job?
Hey, you!
Chamorro.
Looks like a job for Bianca. Just. She's ready. Let's lure someone. Over here. Come on, amigo.
Good looks, and I brought my own.
Still got it.
Full of shit, Larry.
She look home to Hector. No sweat.
DeVitt sure was a piece of work.
Let's light this up.
What? You knew the guy?
Saw him a couple times. Real pushover on the outside, but the way he looked at you.
Sure thing, amigo. Coming through.
What are you gonna do with your cut?
Don't know. Maybe I'll buy myself a nice long coat like yours.
This way. I like it. I like it.
What are you
Over
gonna
there.
do with your cut?
Don't know. Maybe I'll buy myself a nice long coat.
What are you gonna do with your cut?
Don't know. Maybe I'll buy myself a nice long
Something.
Let's see.
be part of the big league.
I'm in
He's dead.
This is nothing. Over there?
What are you gonna do with your cut?
What? Hey,
Dixon caught a turkey.
Your eyes big.
Says he's gonna cook it real nice.
Where the hell did he find a turkey?
Well, he says it's a turkey.
Who was it?
Time for the rats.
son of a bitch!
She's ready. I'll use my singing voice. Over here.
Yourself.
All right.
How'd you land this job?
Strong arms, good looks, and I brought my own shovel.
To Hector.
You're full of shit, Larry. DeVitt sure was. What are you gonna do with your cut?
Don't know. Maybe I'll buy myself a nice little boat like yours. Be part of the big league.
I can handle it. On my way. Time for the rats.
Dixon caught a turkey. Says he's gonna cook you real nice.
Where the hell did he find a turkey?
Well, he says it's a turkey.
Time to use Bianca. I like it.
Mixing this shit home.
There.
Oh, come on. Gonna be worth it. Let's find the vault.
If there is a vault.
This way, amigo. You. Time to make some noise. Over here.
Not worth my
Someone
time.
else finds that thing before we do.
Hey, relax, Big Shot. Guys like you always get their cut, right?
You digging somewhere?
Hey, shouldn't you be guarding something?
Smart ass. How'd you land this job?
Strong arm, good looks, and I brought my own stuff.
This is full of shit, Larry.
Yeah, I got it. She looks ready for more.
I'm all ears, honey.
Time for the rats.
The rich sure was a piece of work.
They're down. Coming through.
Outside, the way he looked at you.
Need the haircut. Sure thing, amigo. Here comes the postman.
What are you gonna do with your cut?
Don't know. Maybe I'll buy myself a nice long coat like yours. Be part of the big league.
Yeah, right.
Maybe I'll buy myself a nice long coat like yours. Be part of the big league.
On my way.
Dixon caught a turkey. Says he's gonna cook it real nice.
Where the hell did he find a turkey?
Well, he says it's a turkey.
Yeah, I got it. I'm in the mood for some chopping. Let's go. Come to Hector.
Bueno, me acuerdan aquí el Jus. Y el Héctor Gerdo una.
Sure thing, amigo. This is nothing. I can do this all day.
We got places to be. I smell... My thoughts exactly. This'll do nicely. I got a feeling about this.
I like it.
Bueno, dona garbitxu du, eta baguz ja... Baguz ja honantz. Ez dakitxan hondik sartu mun nahi. Hau, ati zarratute onda.
You got it, amigo.
Come to Hector.
I can handle it. This way, amigo.
Bueno. Van agarridao.
I wouldn't worry just yet.
Come on, amigo.
Be another way. Making a move. Let's do this.
Here comes the postman.
Let's light this up. And another one. Over there? No problem. All right.
The hell?
That's you.
You got it, amigo.
Here's, honey.
Let's light this up.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Time for the axe. Not your lucky day. Let's
Well, I'm here all day, honey.
shopping. Okay, they're down.
I bet I can help you. I'm listening. I'm listening. Yeah, no problem, Missy. Honey? You got a lovely voice. Yeah, I'm listening. I could talk to you all day. Who goes there?
Hey, Butch.
Hey now. Noise, bastards! I'm here all day, honey.
I see. Who needs a haircut? Let's lure someone in. Bianca is ready. Time to make some noise. Looks like a job for Bianca. I'll use just... You...
Bastard!
Let's light this up.
Ya está.
Fuck are you?
I like time for the I like it. This is nothing. I can handle it. Got a package here. Bianca is ready. You got it, amigo. Let's lure someone in. Just... She's ready.
What's going on?
Yeah, I got it. Still got it. They're coming through. On my way. Ready when you are.
Is it open yet?
Time to make some noise. All right. Let's do this. Hey. Time for the ride.
How can I help you?
I see. I can do this all day.
I'm listening. I'm here all day, honey.
Serio lleva.
One. Sure. Whatever you need.
Making a move.
Te regalo, Serena.
Whatever you say, gorgeous.
Like.
I'm in the mood for some shopping. Let's light this up. Here comes the postman.
anything?
I'm waiting.
Yeah, how am I supposed to work with you constantly yelling in my ears?
I like it.
Got nothing for the
There's
horse.
something.
Nothing.
All right.
Shit!
Sure thing, amigo.
In it.
Sure,
There's
knock
something.
yourself out. Fall for
How
that.
did that happen?
Is it open yet?
What's it look like,
This
smartass?
is wild.
Not open. Just let me work. Jesus.
What do I do? This is just wrong.
Keep your eyes peeled.
Nothing here.
Let's do this. I'll use my singing voice. Over here.
I heard that.
Let's do. Don't rush me.
Hombre, I'm coming for you.
I'll use my singing voice. Time to make some noise. You
You're in trouble now.
who needs a haircut? There goes another. Come to Hector. Over there? No problem. Yeah, I got it. This way, amigo.
Now,
You got it, amigo. Time to use Bianca. I'll use my singing voice.
Is there a problem?
See how big this thing is?
Always trust in Bianca. She looks ready to see. This is nothing. Let's go. I'm in the mood for some chopping. And let's lure someone in. Looks like a job for me. I'll use my singing voice.
Forever.
Ugh, tell me about it.
You need anything? Silence.
Right over here. Time to make some noise. Not ready, amigo.
Why do I bring a safe back? You can't crack the damn safe.
Come on, Cass. Concentrate.
I like it. Let's lure someone in. see. Time to make some noise. Looks like a job for you. Just there, making a move.
Think you're clever, huh?
Hey now.
She's still got it. You got it, amigo.
What's that?
Time to make some noise.
Yes.
You need anything? Silence.
I'll use my singing voice. Mioka is ready.
If he can't crack the damn thing.
Sure thing, amigo. Keep your eyes peeled.
What the hell?
There she is.
Is it open yet?
What's it look like, smartass?
Not open. Just let me work, Jesus.
I see.
I'm waiting.
Yeah, how am I supposed to work with you constantly yelling in my ears?
Hey. Let's light this up. Time for the racks. What the? I can do this. Sure thing, amigo. Time for the racks. Let's light this up.
Is that?
I can handle it.
How's it doing?
Ask him.
Hey, Butch. How you doing? Hey, shut up and make your rounds. Hey.
I'm in the mood for some shopping.
Just open it, all right?
I'm on it, Cass.
Here comes the postman. This way, amigo.
Still? Hey, Butch. One more word, and I'll crack this open with your skull.
Let's lure someone in. Looks like a job.
Come on, what's taking so long?
Working, right?
Not
Over
much
here.
my time.
Come on, amigo. She looks ready for more.
Not sure I'm following.
I like it. What the?
Come on, what's taking so long?
I'm working, all right?
Keep your eyes peeled. Who needs a hair? I can handle it. That looks like a job for beyond. Time for the axe.
What is that?
Is there a problem?
You see how big this thing is?
This is taking forever.
Tell me about it.
You need anything? The only thing I require is silence.
Why do I bring a safe cracker if you can't crack the damn safe?
Come on, concentrate.
Okay, they're down. Come to Hector. Coming through. Time for the axe. Sure thing, amigo.
Something.
I'm waiting.
Yeah, how am I supposed to yelling in my ears?
You hear all kinds of things.
Just open it, all right?
I'm on it, Cass. Relax.
What's it look like?
Dobra, Andrea.
Shut up and make your rounds.
Is there a problem?
You see how big this thing is?
I heard that.
Hey, Butch. How you doing?
Hey, shut up and make your rounds.
Is there a problem?
You see how big this thing is? Hey, shut up and make your rounds. See how big this thing is? crack this open.
Crack it if you can't crack the damn safe.
Come on, Cass, let me concentrate.
On my way. Who needs a haircut? Let's got plenty of room.
Yes, just take it for what? Is it open yet?
What's it look like, smartass?
Not open. Just let me work it.
Hey,
Is there something...
How's it doing?
Ask him.
Hey, Butch. How you doing? Hey, shut up and make your rounds.
I'm in the mood for some chopping. You got it, amigo.
I'm waiting.
Come to Hector. Let's go. Hey now. Sure thing, amigo. Say hello to this beauty. Let's get loud. You see that? Can do. This is nothing. And another one. I can do this all day.
Shall we continue? We got places to be. I smell up we go. Let's drop this one off.
Yeah, I got it.
I wouldn't worry just yet. All right, let's see what we got.
What? What's wrong?
The damn thing is empty. All that's in here is a note.
Wonderful. Let's head back to Rosie.
She better have an explanation for this.
Welcome back.
There she is. Amigo, say hello to my lovely Rosie.
Hey there, miss. Sorry, I don't remember you from Baton Rouge. My memory, is a bit hazy.
Oh, don't you trouble your little head, Mr. Cooper. It happens to the best of us.
Rosie, the vault was empty. All we found was a note.
Oh, I feared as much. Can I see it?
You telling me you knew this would happen?
I had a hunch. Now let's see.
What does it say, honey?
To whomever low-life scum this may concern, I suggest you remove yourself from my brother's property and go back to digging in the dirt where you belong. Signed, Magnus Hieronymus DeVitt. Looks like the hunt is just getting started.
gapo. Y producer de. Bueno. Yapa. Ay, ama. Bueno, hau itxingu.